topless baby. What is this, Jesus? Look at this. Not today, Satan. Not today. Ew, it looks like it's giving birth out his back. Well, hello. Welcome to the Naiah and Elli Toy Show.
When you eat
starring Mommy Cray Cray. Go away, children. You're probably wondering why I'm drinking juice from a hairbrush soy sauce bottle. You're gonna have to go over to Mommy Cray Cray's channel to figure out how I made this and why I made it.
I'm gonna brush your hair.
You can't brush my wig, sis, it's gonna fall off.
I'm gonna brush Holly's hair.
You brushed my hair before, and that was
special. So today on the Naiah and Elli Toy Show, starring Mommy Cray Cray.
No, starring me.
Starring Mommy Cray Cray.
Starring Elli and Naiah. Yeah, starring us. Forget this face.
We're gonna be filming 34 creepy yet cute toy hacks. Yay!
Yay!
1, 2, 3,
go!
Even though this isn't 1, 2, 3, go, it's 5-minute craft. So
1, 2, 3. Oh my God! Go! 5, 5, 5.
You are not professional. All right, let's get started.
5, 5, 5, them bad kids.
5, 5, 5,
them bad kids. 5, 5, 5, them bad kids.
Call 5, 5, 5, them bad kids, and I'll take care of them. And you're probably wondering, Mommy Cray Cray, what is that on your head? Why do you have Mickey ears on?
Literally every single video, right? And I just moved to Disney at my new beautiful house. Oh my God, I just moved to Disney at my new beautiful house.
That's exactly a perfect impersonation, Naiah.
So we just moved here to Disney World, and the reason why I'm wearing these ears is so you guys can remember that. Why? Because we're coming out with some new Disney merch soon, and Disney everything and Disney videos, especially on Mommy Cray Cray. If YouTube had turned comments back onto this channel, I'm not sure, but they haven't turned comments back on. So right now, we are going to leave a post on the same day. Check out our community tab, and we'll put a photo from this video so you guys know what it is, and of these ears. So I want you guys to go over to the community tab, click this photo with these ears, and leave a comment below and tell me which Disney character do you think these ears represent? That's a lot of work, but I'm sorry. They didn't shut down the comments over here, so. Or you can go to Mommy Cray Cray and leave it on my video.
No. Do it here.
That was a lot of intro.
This is like a 1 minute.
All right, let's go.
You gotta cut a lot of that out.
No, you don't, Becca.
I don't want me to get it. I can't see.
Come on the other side. Wait,
Mom.
what? Oh, he's a toilet paper. This is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. This is one of the best hacks I've ever seen. Never mind that your hand is probably full of pee-pee doo-doo when you go to wipe. The stuffed animal may get a little tainted. See, the problem is Ellie would actually wipe herself with the animal. Did I come up like, who put this on the... See? Becca, you see how we're ready and somebody else is slacking on the job?
Yeah, it's
I'm trying to extend the glue gun in that.
You plug it back there.
I'm not...
Plug it back there, Holly.
Laugh is
You
hard.
want some hairbrush juice? The first thing we're gonna do is gonna make this toilet paper holder. Stick this.
Yeah, you trust me with hacking.
Stick this on the inside of his little hand. Okay, so stick him in the inside right there.
Him. He's so friendly. Wait.
Okay, so Ellie's gonna do the other side. So we're gonna take this one.
We're gonna hot glue. Don't be gluing another one.
Hot glue, hot glue.
Hot glue. I said hot glue.
Watch your hand. Is it me or is this a little too long? So I probably need to cut this down, right? Hey!
Yeah.
There we go.
But how are you gonna put the toilet?
I'm gonna secure this with more hot glue.
Oh, I know.
And ninja. Ha-ha! Baby ninja. Wait, what are you doing, bruh? You couldn't even break toilet paper. Stick this to Stitch.
Wait, we have to hot glue it.
It's Velcro. I think it's still too big. Like Stitch can't hold it. It's too much toilet paper even for, it's too much stick. Okay, so let's just cut this stick down again. So now let's go ahead and see if Stitch can hold his toilet paper. And then we're gonna put him into some real world use.
Look at Stitch.
Is he holding it?
Yeah.
What? It's very, oh. Okay, let's try it with the stickiness. All right, got another sticker. Let's stick the other side, and I think we're good. Time to go potty, Stitch.
Let's see, will it work?
Will Stitch go potty? Okay. There it is.
Okay, wait.
Let's see if I... This is not gonna stay.
And
I think we got it now.
let me try.
Did he fall?
Oh,
All right, guys. I think this is a fail.
But at least
Why don't we just stick it on Stitch's arm?
yeah, people.
Now he's handing you the paper with his and like Stitch is kind of crazy, so you can kind of just like
Make him Halloween or Halloween.
wrap it around Stitch. What do we grade that first hack?
A B minus.
What do you say it was?
An F minus 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 minus.
I'm gonna give that hack a C minus. I think it is super cute to actually try to do it, but I just also think
It didn't really work out.
Yeah, I think we need some better glue, some better instructions, and I kind of feel like it didn't really do exactly what it's supposed to do. But I love the concept because I think it's super cute. Oh, this poor baby! What is this, Jesus?
Oh my gosh, who does this?
Oh my gosh!
Kids across America.
Okay, so they're cutting the head off, which
looks
we're
like
used to
Sid.
cutting.
Oh, I didn't get
Is Sid doing
plates.
that?
What is this demon? Demon? What is this? Oh, these are planters?
That's so weird.
Is this a Halloween video? Okay, here we go. All right, so for this one, we have two babies.
I like this one.
Okay, Ellie's getting the
This
small
is a
baby.
boy.
Wait, let's show our babies.
Look at the panda.
Here's baby one. He's asleep, now he's awake. He's asleep, now he's awake. This one's sleep, but you would never know it because it's creepy. The first thing I want to do is cut off these babies' heads. Let me see if I can separate the body. Actually, you don't have to cut them. So each head of dolls, they're attached by something like that. We have a beautiful baby head. Ew, look at the flesh.
Crazy the flesh.
Here, you want to peel the flesh off?
Who does this to their baby doll?
Me. All right, head number 2. All right, Ellie, you don't need to pull the cotton out that thing.
This is a.
Ellie, I'm going to.
Cut baby's head. Baby's head's like no.
Baby's head is like, no, man. Not today, Satan.
With a.
We're the Addams family.
Yeah, I know. No, with a quick.
I'm like Morticia Addams.
I'm Wednesday and Ellie's Pugsley. I want to be the girl. No, I'm Wednesday because Wednesday's serious and Pugs is kind of crazy like you. I want to be the dog.
Fucking side, ew.
Those are the nubs.
Eyeballs.
Can I see the
Look
nubs?
at the eye nubs.
Mommy got you a pretty new hat. It's the scalp of your baby doll.
All right, kids. So next, I think it's gonna take my eyelash off. So now we have one head.
Oh, she's like, no, sir.
This, I know this. All right, so we're gonna cut this head off with your head, little baby. Okay, I'm trying to make it smooth, but I think it's it's a little slanted. We're not gonna spray paint just because that's a lot of work. All right, so now I'm gonna hot glue this, and then I want you to stick the head onto the plate.
We're ruining
Go
our
ahead.
beautiful plates for the silly craft.
Silly craft? How dare you call this high quality craft silly? I thought they were teacups at first. Could you use this as a cup? There's our planters. We could paint them and spray paint them if you want to, but personally, I think they look better with the actual heads. Just like pure. Why don't you put your plants in there, and then Naiah, why don't you put yours in there? Hold on. There's Ellie. Wait, it looks like a hat. Wait. Okay, I think yours needs to be cut down some. Trust me, I have enough fake plants to know exactly all the tricks too.
Mine's small
Fake
enough to
plant.
fit.
I legit kind of like it.
It looks like kids in the corn.
Kids in the corn. Kids are the succotash. Children of the cornbread. It looks better from that angle. Like, I feel like the plant looks good. Okay, so now that we've done that, let's give these a grade. All right, so Naiah, what would you grade this hack?
C+.
Ellie, what would you give this hack?
B+.
I'm actually gonna give this hack, believe it or not, an A-. And I think I'm gonna give it an A- because I think these are amazing for Halloween. Like, I legit would do this next year for Halloween. Halloween's over now for us, but I think these are super cute for a creepy holiday. That's our grade for this one. Now it's on for number 3. There we go. Where did they get all these Barbies with blue hair?
I know.
I never find them. What happened to her hair though?
That does not look cute.
Why is she typing? So it looks like, guys, for our next one, we are going to be cutting up another doll, cutting off her head of another doll. Are we supposed to cut her hair all messed up like that too?
If you want to.
Yeah, we should.
So these are the doll heads. So I think we're gonna let Naiah and Elli just do this hack. I'm gonna sit this one out, but let me just say, these are the most beautiful fake Barbie faces ever. This is the creepiest Barbie. So these are not Barbie, these are not legit. So I'm gonna this is gonna be Ellie's and this one's gonna be Naiah's. So you girls, I don't know, do you wanna cut their hair off or do you wanna keep it in a ponytail?
I think I'm gonna cut her hair to like here, cause that's because I don't want it touching the hot glue. But they look scary.
Okay, so Elli, once you get started on yours, let's see what Elli does with hers. Are you just making a short ponytail?
Her hair doesn't need to be that long.
Okay, Elli, just like a whole section is bothering me that you will not cut it. Please cut that section. It's like, you know how it's not satisfying. Oh, thank you, Lord. All right, so Elli, I'm gonna put the hot glue.
Ooh, yeah, I like that wing.
So now let's go ahead and put our hot glue on. I'm gonna put a lot so Elli can get her head on. Okay, so Elli, stick your Barbie head on the way you want. Watch your fingers. Okay.
Oh, Elli, your wing is so pretty.
I'm gonna squeeze her on here. So here is Ellie's ring. So we're gonna let this dry some more and do Naiah's, and then we'll put those on at the same time. Although her head is coming off. All right. Oh, Naiah's cutting. Naiah. Naiah, what? What?
Wait, you're gonna cut her whole hair?
Sus. What is this? Ma'am.
I don't want.
Why are you cutting the ponytail? What is this? What is this?
Why don't you just keep the rubber band?
Please do not keep that little edge of a ponytail.
Like I did. Look what I did.
You keep that ponytail hanging on by a strand, I swear on the screen. Why she got a bald spot in the front? And
You don't know her life.
Wait, is that it?
No, hold on. Look at my doll. Look at how nice she looks. And look at your doll.
It looks like Fire Marshal Bill. Please insert something to Fire Marshal Bill. People will have no idea who that is. All right, Naiah, you did a good job. Mommy's so proud of you. You did a beautiful job.
Maybe I can do your hair like that, Mommy. I can take your wing out.
Oh. It looks like she has chin glue. Like she got her chin hair waxed like me. And they left a little glue on. They left a little wax on. There's Naiah's.
Look at my beautiful beauty, and then look at her beauty. She looks like.
All right, Naiah. Naiah, will you be my daughter?
No.
You're supposed to say yes. Naiah, all my life I've been searching for a girl like you. And even though we just met yesterday, I think I want to ask you, will you be my daughter?
Okay.
I
guess so.
With this ring, I the daughter.
And with this
Wait,
ring,
does it fit your little?
I will cut your hair.
There
like
it is.
This.
No, show it off. Oh.
No, you got to get this side.
Oh. Today, on the home shopping, we have this beautiful ring as our little model shows her off.
And my dirty hand.
Your little girl will just love this for Christmas. All for the low price of $199.95. With this ring, I the daughter. With these little these filthy toes. There it is. Beautiful. There it is. Looking pretty, girl. Let me see you walk. Jewelry popping with the toilet paper on your foot and the soy sauce juice. All right, turn that way. Turn sideways. With this toe ring, I take you to the beach. Bring me that toe, girl. Bring me that toe. Bring me that toe, girl. Bring me that toe. Bring me that toe. Hey, it's that toe gang. Toe gang, toe gang, toe gang. All right, so I think it's time to give a grade to this craft. Elli, what would you give this overall crafting a grade on?
I would give this grade an A-.
Naiah, what's your final grade?
Girl, this is too beyond good. This is literally A++++ B+++++.
I'm gonna give this an A-. Why? Because I think it's a cute concept if you're looking for something creepy. Doll heads are always creepy on their own. So, and I think for Halloween or something creepy, I think this does it. Especially if you have some old beat up Barbies and you just want to kind of reuse them. It's kind of creepy, which is the point. So yeah, A-. All right, guys, that's the end of this video. Let us know what your grades were for each of these hacks. You guys know what we thought of them. And make sure you subscribe to this channel for more of these. We're going to be doing...
Or she will haunt your dreams. So subscribe.
That's it, guys. Make sure you subscribe and make sure you go to the community tab and tell me what character these ears are from as well. All right, see you guys soon. Bye.